Hey everyone, in this video we're going to look at finding the greatest common factor, and our directions say to find the GCF, which is an abbreviation for greatest common factor. So find the GCF for each pair of numbers. So when I look at example 1, I'm going to list my factors of 12 and 32. I'm going to start with 12, so when I list my factors of the number 12, remember I always start with 1, so 1 times 12, that gives me 12. Then I go to 2. 2 definitely goes into 12. It's even. So 2 times 6 is 12. Here are two factors. 3. 3 is one of my factors because 3 times 4 is 12. And so if you notice, my left column is up to 3, and the bottom of my right column is at 4. So I know I'm done because I've already tried 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So all of my factors are covered at this point. So next, I'm going to look at my factors of 32. So 32 might have a few more factors of 12. It's a little bit larger of a number, but we have 1 and 32. We have 2 and 16. And remember, we're looking for the largest common factor. 3 does not go into 32, but 4 does 8 times. I'm going to try 5. 5 does not work. And 6 does not work either. So these are my 6 factors for 32. So now I just have to identify the greatest, the biggest number that goes into both 12 and 32. So for this example, it would be 4. 4 is the largest number that goes into both 12 and 32. So my GCF is 4. So my GCF for example 1 is 4. Moving on to example 2, we have 30 and 75. So it's my same first step, list the factors, and you just need to be really careful when you go through your factors. Make sure you're not leaving any off. So at 30, I have 1 and 30. It's even, so I have 2 and 15, 3 and 10. 4 does not work, 5 works, and it goes in 6 times. So now I'm back to 6, so I know I'm done here. So now I need to test 75, so my factors of 75. So when I look at my factors of 75, of course, we have 1 and 75. 75 is an odd number, so 2 does not work. 3 goes into 75. 3 times 25 is 75, so that's one of my factors. 4 does not work. 5 works. 5 goes into 75 15 times. I'm going to try 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All of those numbers do not go into 75, and you have to make sure you go until you reach 15. So I went until I tried all the factors up into the number 15. So now I just need to identify my greatest common factor. In this one, it would be 15. 15 is the biggest number that goes into both 30 and 15. So my GCF for example 2 is 15. Hey guys, thanks for joining us for another video, and I hope this was helpful. I'm going to put a link to the next video at the top of this screen, and any related videos I'm going to leave along the bottom. Please feel free to leave any questions or any comments or any suggestions in the comments below, and we'll see you for our next video. Thanks.